In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Camera Pro Mode Best Settings. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to set up and use the Pro Mode on your Samsung camera. So regardless of which Samsung device you have, you will find it available under More, and you can go over to Pro or Pro Video. So in general, everything that I say will apply to both of these modes. Pro is going to be used if you are taking pictures, and Pro Video for recordings. So when you switch into Pro, you will see these main options. You will have ISO, aperture and shutter speed, standard, manual focus, white balance, and exposure. Now, the actual answer to the best settings is that there is never going to be a single best option overall. This is all going to depend on which effect you want to achieve, on your lighting conditions, your subject, the artistic effect, and so on. So I'm going to give you a general breakdown of these and some recommendations that you can use. First, you have ISO. This is going to be the light sensitivity. So whenever you take a picture and you change the ISO, this is going to control how sensitive your camera's sensor is going to be to light. Less sensitive values like 50, 100, and 200 will produce cleaner images with less digital noise. It is ideal for bright conditions or when using a tripod. So for very bright conditions, you want to lower this value. And if you set this to a high ISO like 800, 1600, 3200, it is going to be more sensitive. It allows you to shoot in darker conditions. And it is going to have with faster shutter speeds. It introduces more digital noise, so it can make photos look gritty. So it all depends on if you are in a bright environment or a dark environment, so choose accordingly. Next, you have shutter speed, which is the shutter time, determining how long the camera's shutter will remain open. If you do a fast shutter speed like 1 to 1000 seconds or 1 to 500, it is going to freeze motion. It is ideal for fast moving subjects. So for fast moving subjects, you want a value of 1000 to 500. And for slow shutter speeds, it is going to be ideal for a very steady hand or a tripod to avoid camera shake. So if you are doing something that relates to action or sports, go to 1/500 or faster and aim for at least 1 to 60. Aperture will control the size of the lens opening, affecting both the amount of light and the depth of field. And you should adjust this if you are doing portrait or subject isolation, or landscapes and group shots. Use higher numbers. So for portraits, lower, and for landscapes or group shots, higher, to keep more of the scene in focus. White balance will adjust the color temperature depending on which colors you want to achieve. So for accurate colors, manually set your lighting, and for a creative effect, you can change for artistic purposes, for warmer tones if you want a cozy feel, or cooler for a dramatic look. For focus, it is going to determine which part of your image is sharp, so what you want to focus on. For the exposure, you can make the image brighter or darker. And as long as you change these before taking your picture, you will be able to achieve the best results possible. I hope I was able to help you on the Samsung Camera Pro Mode Best Settings. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.